So basically this morning we're pulling out the Vermeer 206 stump grinder and we gotta go grind some big fir stumps. Probably about 5 of them maybe. And this is a, I don't know, I know it's made in the 90s, mid 90s stump grinder, Vermeer stump grinder. I don't know exactly what year it is, but it runs really good. It has a Kohler 20 horsepower motor. I just put a new starter on and a fuel pump, so it's running excellent. And then I just put these Greenteeth on it. I'm really excited to test them out. I tested on a little stump, but that wasn't much of a test. So I'm real excited to see how they do on fir stumps, because fir stumps are kind of, they're kind of gnarly. They're pretty soft though, I guess. They're just big. And yeah, so let's pull it out. We'll check the fluids real fast. Fire it up, make sure it's running, and then hitch it up to the pickup. Alright, all loaded up. Let's get to the job site. So I just wanted to throw in that I've been really liking the stump grinder. I've only had it for, let's see, 6 months, maybe max. So not that long, but I've used it quite a bit and got familiar with it. When I got it, didn't really have any problems, but the starter started to go out. So that's why I put a new starter in, the fuel pump went out. So I replaced those, and that's basically all done. And then I put new teeth on, because I had the old school teeth. So I got these nice green teeth. So yeah, a nice little upgrade there. I'm hoping they'll work real nice against these fir stumps. But this is a really solid machine. I've been really liking it. For older unit, it works really good. I like how small it is, get into a lot of places, yet tackle bigger jobs like this. Easy to tow. You just slap it right up to the hitch. Don't have to worry about trailer. The only thing about it, you have to keep in mind, it's a manual swing. So you're doing all the swinging. It does have the electric tilt though, which is nice. So all you're doing is just swinging back and forth, grinding down the stump, and then you have the electric tilt, which makes jobs a lot easier. But honestly, it works really good and you don't really get tired swinging. Swings easy and it gets the job done. And really like this little unit. Just wanted to throw that in there. And let's get to those stumps. This Kohler motor runs really good. Alright, so we just lock the wheels. Put the pins in. Alright, so finished grinding this one. Maybe there's a little, oh, just a branch. It took about half the time that it usually did with the regular teeth, but the Greenteeth absolutely performed way better. Yeah, no contest. Good investment, get Greenteeth. And I got about 6-8 inches below the surface for this stump, which would be fine. It's just gonna get gravel put on over it and it'll be deep enough, I think. Not worried about rot. Someday wood chips will cover it up nicely, and then we'll do this one right here, and then the big tall rotten one. Good size, another good sized one. Let's get started. Alright, so the second one's gone. Took care of it pretty fast. We got it, you know, just probably 6-8 inches again under the surface, which will be perfect. Alright, let's tackle this rotten one now. We'll just get it till it's out of sight. Should be pretty easy since it's pretty soft. So let's try that. Okay, so my GoPro keeps dying because it's cold out. So we're almost done with this big rotten one. I'm just gonna come from it this way now, and then grind it up, and there's this root that comes to right here. So basically, I'll grind that whole root to there. And that'll be quick because it's so rotten. Just finish her up. Alright, so got that big tall one gone now. That actually worked out real good. Glad we took care of that for the guy. Even got this big long root ground up. And ground it real deep. It was easy to do because it was so rotten. And yeah, glad we got done. So we got that one. One up there by the corner. This one. And basically, one more to do right there. That one's a small little guy. That'll only take a few minutes. Well, maybe more like 10 minutes, but yeah, so rake this out, take care of that one.
Every day is a new day. I'm thankful for every breath I take. I won't take it for granted. So I learn from my mistakes. It's beyond my control. Sometimes it's best to let go. Whatever happens in this lifetime. So I trust in love. You have given me peace of mind. I feel so alive.
Okay, all finished up with that small one. Took a little longer than I thought, but that's okay. Well, I think that's all he wanted to get done. And that's basically all the stumps from this tree clear job. Except for there's 2 medium-sized ones right there. But they're kind of out of the way, so I think he'll leave them. So yeah, all finished up. Been working here last couple months. Just doing clean up after the tree guys came in. And last thing was to do, come in and grind the stumps. And then the septic guys are gonna get in, do septic, and start in on the house foundation. All right, if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel.